In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate marketing websites with Google Sites. If you're looking to delve into the world of affiliate marketing without the hassle of managing complex website infrastructure, Google Sites offers a straightforward solution to get you started. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up your very own affiliate marketing website in just a few steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. It's as simple as opening your web browser and heading to sites.google.com. For those unfamiliar, Google Sites is a free and user-friendly website builder offered by Google. It allows you to create websites with ease, even if you have no prior experience in web design. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, it's time to choose the type of site you want to create. You have two main options here. You can either start with a blank canvas or choose from a variety of templates. If you're new to this, templates might be a great way to get started as they provide a structured layout you can easily customize. Simply select the template that best suits your needs, or if you prefer to build your site from scratch, choose the blank option. With your site template selected, it's time to get creative. Click on the site to begin editing. This is where you'll start adding the core content that will engage your visitors and drive your affiliate marketing efforts. To do this effectively, consider what products or services you want to promote. Once you've decided, you can begin incorporating affiliate links within the site. These are special URLs provided by companies that track the traffic you send their way, and in return, you earn a commission on any sales made through your links. When editing your site, focus on creating engaging and informative content. Good content is key to attracting visitors and converting them into customers. You can add text, images, and videos that support your affiliate products. Make sure your content is clear and provides value to your audience, as this builds trust and increases the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, Google Sites allows you to customize the look and feel of your website. You can change the color scheme, fonts, and layout to match your brand or personal style. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also helps in making a memorable impression on your visitors. Once you've finished editing and are satisfied with your site's look and content, it's time to publish. Simply click the Publish button and your site will be live on the web. Be sure to share your website across your social media platforms and other marketing channels to attract traffic and start your journey in affiliate marketing. And there you have it. You've just created an affiliate marketing website using Google Sites. With these easy steps, you're on your way to entering the world of affiliate marketing and potentially earning some passive income. Thanks for joining me today, and happy marketing.